So what does it really take to get 10,000 subscribers on YouTube? Why you would want to get that number, what comes along with it, such as perks and other features. Let's go ahead and get into it. Hey, so welcome back to my channel. My name is Quincy and I help you on YouTube with tips and tricks for social media such as Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, and of course YouTube. So if you want videos like this that's going to help you grow your following and show you some things that you probably don't know how to do, make sure you hit the subscribe button right now. There are a ton of videos on this channel that will definitely help you out. With the rise of YouTube Shorts, it is easier now than ever to gain a subscriber base on YouTube. But keep in mind, with the YouTube Shorts, you may have a lot of subscribers. But if you want to really get paid and cash in, long form content is still where it's at. You only really get paid so much from the shorts. You pretty much have to get 10 million views, 2 million or even higher to even see a few dollars on your shorts content. I recommend when you're making long form content, you try to keep your videos under 10 minutes, maybe no longer than 7 to 8 minutes. If you don't know what you want your YouTube channel to be about, it's important that you take it seriously. And so that means making sure that you have a profile thumbnail that they can see who you are or what your logo is, as well as a banner at the top of your page. This shows that you're serious, even if you don't know what your niche is. Maybe it shows your name, who you are, and what right now you want to talk about. You can always change that. But when people come to your page right now, they're going to be looking at, is this someone I want to subscribe to? What is going to be created on this page? And if I may even return, do not spend forever editing your videos. I will say, if you have all the time in the world and you're just now, getting over maybe 500 subscribers, yeah, if you got time, take your time. If you love having a soda, sometimes in my case, a cup of coffee, I'm watching the news, I'm editing the video, I'm going to the bathroom, I'm coming back and I have my days off to edit the video. But if you don't have that leisure time, if you don't have that time to where you can actually dedicate to the video, you want to make sure that while you're recording your video, you're using bullet points. That way you can stay on topic. There's nothing like sitting down, getting ready to edit a video, and you have to chop out a ton of and well, even blank stares, or maybe you had to get your train of thought together. And so now you're just spending forever trying to edit this video because you want it perfect. So the best thing you can do is make sure that you have bullet points, stay on topic, look at your notes, remember a sentence or a paragraph that you want to talk about, and then go for it. Edit that in post. So when everything changed and now it's easier to get 100,000 subscribers, 200,000 subscribers on YouTube, it made me feel like it's not really that much worth it. Do I really want a plaque that says 100,000 subscribers and I got all of those by making YouTube Shorts? Yeah, I mean, I'll take it, but I really want that because people are watching my long form content. It means that they really want to, hear what I have to say. But at the same time, if the shorts are about you or what you bring to the table, then yes, it's about you as well. Some people make their shorts about just random things, kind of like TikTok. And so people are following because they like the content, but they don't really know who they're following or what to expect consistently. So it's just something to keep in mind. But if you find a way to gain all of these subscribers from YouTube Shorts, the rule of thumb is now that you have all of these subscribers, you can now draw them to possibly buy your merchandise. So if you're making YouTube Shorts all about dogs and they go to your shelf in your store and there's all kind of doggy merchandise, why wouldn't they want to buy it? One of the best tips I can give you is making sure that you set up your environment. Right now, it's quiet in here. I have no interruptions. I'm picking the best time to record when I'm less likely going to be distracted. The TV is off. I don't have any meetings or appointments going on. Pick the best time to where you can get the most return on investment when recording your videos. Make sure you have a decent outfit on, make sure your lighting is right. I would definitely recommend having a high quality camera or a iPhone. iPhones have HD and now they have 4K. you can also get you a USB microphone for only about $99, and there's a variety of them. That way you can have quality audio. I will never forget when I did have a mic, but it broke and it went out basically, and I recorded 3 or 4 videos without it. When people were watching the videos that I had because of what the video was about, they were commenting, "You need to get you a microphone. You need to get you a microphone." And I knew I already had one, but it broke and I hadn't, had the money to replace it yet. I hated those comments because I know that I try to make sure things are quality, up to par, legit. And so to avoid those comments, get a microphone so where people enjoy listening to you, because not everybody's watching your video. Some people are listening to your video while they're driving to and from their destination. Now, I will say I do follow a couple of people who do not have a microphone. Every video I watch, you can hear a little echo. You can hear the echo from the room. You can tell they do not have a quality microphone. But guess what? Their content is good, but because they don't have a microphone, I don't watch it that much. But every now and then when a notification goes off, I go click and I listen to what they're saying, and I'll watch it from time to time because I like the person. But if they decided to step up their game and get a microphone, they would have a ton more subscribers. Now, this person has 632,000 subscribers on YouTube, but guess what? They do not have a microphone. They do not have a high quality camera. You can tell that they're either using a camcorder or their iPhone. But hey, it's working for them because of what they're talking about. It's in the genre of Christian, faith-based, just to give you an example. And another thing is that should tell you right there that it doesn't really matter. You can have all the lights, all the cameras, but if you really don't have valuable content, no one's gonna watch. No one's gonna keep returning to you. And what you want to grow your watch time is returning subscribers, returning viewers. It's possible to almost be near 10,000 subscribers, I want to say, and not be monetized, and the reason why is because you're getting all your subscribers from YouTube Shorts. If you have close to 10,000 subscribers, you can have that and not be monetized because people are not watching your long form content, and that's really where you want the watch time, the 3 hours, the 4 hours, 15 hours, the 4,000 hours, watch time within a 12-month rolling period. And of course, YouTube has made it easier now to know what you're going to create a video about via the research tab. The research tab has been modified, updated, and now it is a piece of cake to go on there and see what viewers are searching for that are subscribed to you. So your subscribers are searching for these things. These are examples of what my subscribers are searching for. How to go viral on TikTok. What are the best times to post on TikTok? There's, how to grow your YouTube channel. So for your channel, use the research tab. If I only created content based on what the research tab said, I would never run out of content. Now, occasionally I want to create different things on different topics, for different social media platforms and tips and tricks. However, if I always drew a blank, I can go to the research tab and see what's currently trending from my subscribers and what they're looking for. And then of course it's my job or your job to do your homework and research so that you can deliver valuable content and the answers to what they are looking for. You want to grow your channel? Always have the answer to a question people are looking for. And just in case you're wondering, I would wait before you hire or outsource someone to edit your YouTube videos. I tried it a couple of times, and guess what? They don't do it quite like I do, but there are some softwares who will automatically do it for you. It will cut out the ums, the dead air, and it will give you options to either put certain parts back in or leave it out. And it did chop down my time in half, where I would probably spend about 30 minutes editing a video. I sent the video off, and when I got it back, the video was edited, and I basically spent 9 or 10 minutes sending that video to this software, and it chopped out all the ands, the ums, put the next perfect sentence up close to the previous sentence. It was worth it, but I don't know. It's just something about, I like editing my own videos. Maybe I would try it again in the future, but I did it a few times. It's just a few times I had to fix a couple of things. But hey, I will make a part 2 to this video. Comment below. Let me know right now, was there anything in here that you can use? Are you already on your way to 10,000 subscribers? I know personally I am headed to 20K subscribers, but I wanted to show you a few things on what I did to get 10,000 subscribers. And I'm going to tell you right now, I also had a designated day. You want to make sure that you have a time that you record your videos. My videos that I have been recording lately have been on Mondays, and I will spend Monday evening editing them, or Tuesday also, and I would upload it by either Wednesday or Friday. You can never go wrong with uploading YouTube videos, long form or shorts, on a Friday, because people have the whole weekend to watch them. All right, guys, until next time, I will see you